How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by keeping money in their savings bank accounts? Probably none. Therefore, investing smartly is the way to wealth creation. In today's video, we shall explore how one can safely invest and diversify a significant amount of money even during highs and lows of the market. We shall discuss this topic in simple language with easy description as much possible. You will also be taken through 3 example portfolios to ideally invest $100,000. Further, the bonus section will inquire, is there any investment supermarket? Watch this video till the end because today you may get to know something new about international investments in US dollars. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram and LinkedIn accounts. So let's explore it now. Hi folks, I am your host Jitendra Shrivastav. This channel is part of our mission to ensure basic financial awareness to every individual at no cost. We are based in Dubai, UAE, and since last 20 years designing strategies to live quality life with dignity for our clients in their journey for wealth creation. In this video, if the financial terms that we will be using may bother you, then do check the description box for their meanings. So, are you wondering how to invest $100,000 in any kind of market and risk profile? It is very important to note that buying international shares is not the only option. Along with shares, there are many other asset classes to invest money and get good returns. Further, it is very important to diversify the portfolio and take advantage of multiple options. We shall discuss some example portfolios soon. The right way to invest this amount as a smart investor is to begin with a reliable multi-asset platform. Let's consider one of the most popular and consistently proven platforms. I call it an investment supermarket. Do pay your attention on each of these 8 options and asset classes which you will be offered on this investment supermarket. First, shares. Some of the most popular equity shares are shown here on the screen, like Tesla, Pfizer, Starbucks, Meta, and several others. Surprisingly, you can buy more than 50,000 stocks of top companies. Also, about 25 stock exchanges are available on the investment supermarket. Second, mutual funds. As you may know, mutual funds collect money from investors and invest it on their behalf in equity or bonds. For example, sectors like technology, banking, telecom, or even thematic funds like water, energy, gold, Sharia compliant funds, and so on. There are more than 55,000 international mutual funds available in this investment supermarket. Third, structured solutions, famously called as structured notes, a new style investment vehicle which blends bonds and derivatives with call and put options to give safer returns. It is a great source of high returns in US dollars with consistent income as quarterly coupons, while principal amount is linked with underlying equities. It is protected even when equities drop to a certain level. Fourth, bonds and fixed income funds. A bond is a debt instrument to invest money. This is generally a lower risk asset class with consistent income. It may be in the form of a fund or ETF, which takes us to our next point. Fifth, ETFs. Exchange traded fund is a popular option with great liquidity that tracks either an index, sector, commodity, or other assets. It can be purchased or sold on a stock exchange. Sixth, index fund. It is generally an equity-based investment option which is mirroring a particular index or share market like S&P 500, Nifty 50, or FTS 100. It requires less monitoring and money grows in conjunction with the mirrored index. Seventh, commodities. It is an opportunity to invest in gold, silver, and other metals. This can be done through exchange traded commodities which are available on the investment supermarket. It can be in the form of an ETF, mutual fund, or other options. Eighth and the last option is alternative investments. You get the opportunity of alternative investment options like real estate, oil and gas, energy, and many more. Best part is that you can participate in the real estate investment even with a small amount. For example, REITs funds in the real estate sector provide rental income and appreciation of money due to increase in the value of the property. So these are the 8 main asset classes available on the investment supermarket, where you can diversify and invest your money internationally as per the risk profile and personal goals. So where would you like to invest? Do comment down below. One more thing, you can also keep cash on the platform so that to park it as a liquid fund, ready to buy any of these 8 asset classes in near future or withdraw money whenever you require. Now you may have questions related to the returns expected in each of these asset classes and risk associated with the investment. That is why we have summarized it in a single sheet, which you can get through the link provided in the description box. Further, before getting into the bonus section, here are 3 example portfolios for smart investors with different risk profiles and market conditions to invest $100,000. You may check it on the screen or contact us for a detailed and personalized portfolio. First example is of conservative risk profile and when the market is overpriced or unstable. Second example is for balanced risk profile and when market is sideways or neutral. And third one is for aggressive risk profile and when market is at lower side. With this, we move to the bonus section, that is about what is an investment supermarket. Investment supermarket is a great marketplace for an investor to find best international investment options and asset classes at one platform. We have discussed all the 8 investment options earlier in the video. To start with, one needs to get registered with KYC documents and eligibility verifications so that to qualify for investments. Here are the key advantages of an ideal investment supermarket. Great time and money saver as it's one place to get all the options. Very good returns on investment. Tax efficient platform. Highly regulated and audited to ensure safe investments. Portfolio can be managed on mobile, laptop or tablets. Legacy planning can be done by creating a trust for your family or offspring for inheritance purpose, and one can transfer existing investment assets from other platforms to the investment supermarket. Now here we have not discussed the name of any company and provider as this is not a sponsored video. But you may always contact us to know more about the investment supermarket. For an appointment, our WhatsApp number and LinkedIn URL and email ID are shown here on the screen and also mentioned in the description box. To summarize, one can invest $100,000 on the investment supermarket with many options and asset classes. It is very important to diversify investments as per its profile and market scenario. This way, you are investing across the globe with more control to get higher growth of your invested money. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. An intelligent investor is a realist who sells to optimists and buys from pessimists. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to our creative team. To get new videos regularly, do subscribe for free and share the video link with your friends. Some of our upcoming videos are what is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Also, is it safe to invest in crypto? A series on financial planning, the Rolls-Royce of insurance industry, and much more. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.